Down in the valley where the roots lay low and the river bends while the water flows, you were laying down with your toes exposed on a rock you found with the morning's warmth. Oh, I'm glad that I found you. Oh, I'm glad that I found you. I'll call you on the boulevard to tell you, love, that I'm not too far from home, where I can hold you in my arms and play you songs on my old guitar. Oh, I'm glad that I found you. Oh, I'm glad that I found you. You're my best friend, I need you more than kites need wind. We can go together till the very end. Getting lost with you is time well spent. Ooh, I'm glad that I found you. Ooh, I'm glad that I found you. Ooh, I'm glad that I found you. Far from all the things I left behind, I hear the call of restless skies, the dreams I couldn't chase, the moments I can face. The streets unfold into the night, and woven dreams escape my sight. The winds hum through the pines, a name that still entwines. The city is asleep, moonlight caught so deep, footsteps dragging slow, in cold air on my skin. It's pulling me back in. The silence starts to sing, feel the stillness grow, surrender into light that pierces through the night. Far 1,000 miles of stories told, and gravel paths of rust and gold. Yet still I hear the sound of roots beneath the ground. Footsteps dragging slow, in cold air on my skin. It's pulling me back in. The silence starts to sing, feel the stillness grow, surrender into light that pierces through the night. Far from all the things I left behind, I hear the call of restless skies, the dreams I couldn't chase, the moments I can face. The streets unfold into the night, and woven dreams escape my sight. The winds hum through the pines, a name that still entwines. The city is asleep, moonlight cut so deep, footsteps dragging slow, in cold air on my skin. It's pulling me back in. The silence starts to sing, feel the stillness grow, surrender into light that pierces through the night. Far 1,000 miles